No time for fake ones. Just simple crystal with these real ones. From east to west coast, spread love, son. And while you keep talking, wish me count bank funds. Let's go. I'm Mama, Miss Savannah. Usually rock the. Hey there, Geanie Beans. Welcome back to my channel. And thank you for clicking on this video. Today we are unboxing my ring light. Yes, darling. I've been waiting for this for so long. No more shadowy figures. Wait, hold on. Does anybody else like to pop that? Today, I am unboxing my ring light from Ubeesize or Ubeesize. Ubeesize? No, it's definitely Ubeesize. Ubeesize. Oh, duh, because it's a small ring light. Anyway, so I struggled a little bit to get the box open, but it was $35.99, which you can't beat if you're just starting out. Don't break the bank, guys. And I got no shipping costs because I have Prime membership. So that worked out. And it got here the next day. So I am scrambling to open this thing and just show you guys like the whole thing because I was just so freaking excited that I don't have to use literally my desk lamp to record videos anymore. So right here, this is how it comes in the plastic. That's the actual tripod. It has 4 sections to make it taller. And then there is a smaller box down there that has the remote control, I believe, to take freehand pictures. So it is programmed to either Android or iOS, and it already has the battery in there, so you don't have to worry about that. And then I have the phone holders and some other little thing, and then instructions. That's how it looks outside the plastic. Really nice, really clean, really sleek. And then you have this other piece that I believe is also for the phone because it expands and stuff, but I didn't figure out how to use it yet. Last but not least is the actual ring light itself, what we all been waiting for, darling. Yes. Struggle, struggle, struggle. Get that thing open. Show the world. And here it is. It comes out in a little dust bag, which I think is really cool for travel. So at least it's protected. And then it had plastic and instructions with it. So really packaged, really nice, protected. I didn't have anything broken or anything. This is the controller right here, and it's a USB cord, so you have to remember that. Bitch, what? That's perfect. What? What, bitch? We lit, y'all. Yes, so I'm loving this because the ring doesn't have to be that big, darling. Okay, let me put my phone over here and see if it makes a difference. Okay, here's the phone holder right here. And when I put the phone in, it kind of like just, the weight of the phone goes down like that. So I don't know how to keep it up. There is this other piece that opens up, but I don't know how to use this. And it stretches. I don't know where this goes. I have to find out. But when I put the phone on here, it literally falls down. So I don't know what to do about that part, but this is the light. And I love it. It looks great. You know, I don't need much. I just need proper, you know, LED lighting. And this is how it looks on my face. So as you can see, I'm holding it up to the level of the light, like where the light would kind of be. So it looks great. Shit, I might have to get a whole nother tripod and just put my phone on a tripod kind of like behind the ring so that my camera is going through the ring so it can be like that, like how a normal ring light would be. But this is not that big, so I have to make sure I have it a certain way. Because I don't know how to put this phone on here without it. Like, watch, I'm just gonna put you guys on this holder. And that's what happens. There we go. Okay. There we go. I was just supposed to tighten it. Oh my gosh. So then what the fuck is this piece for? It's obviously for the phone. And it has a screw on here. So maybe to put it on top of another tripod like I was saying before. I mean, it's working though. It's working. You guys are a little bit low. So I don't know how I feel about that. I think when I'm recording, usually I'm sitting down. I want it leveled to a point where, I mean, I have another tripod. So push come to shove, I can put my phone on a different tripod. Granted, my tripod is not this long, but I do have another tripod that I can record through my phone and then put that behind my ring light to kind of give it the effect that it's coming through the ring light. You know, making sure that the ring light is not within shot because it's not that big. But if you're just starting out, I think this is perfect. This is great. I spent $35.99 on the whole thing, shipping included, because I'm an Amazon Prime member, and it came the next day. And I feel more confident about my videos. Like, I feel like my videos are going to get better now because I'm not going to be struggling with, you know, like the light and shit. And there's not going to be like shadows going back and forth. This is the high white light. That's the cool high. And that's the yellow. Which the yellow's kind of cool too. Gives off vibes. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, subscribe because you know that you want to, not because you feel like you have to. And I'll see you in the next video. Toodles!
Got the answers. You ain't got the answers, Sway. I've been doing this more than you. I'm about to go yay. I'm about to go yay. I'm about to go yay. Go fuck what you say. I'm about to go yay. I'm about to go yay.